Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am the founder and CEO of Hennasooq, and I specialize in henna, natural hair color, and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. And today's topic is your scalp. Do you suffer from any type of scalp ailments, dryness, flakiness? Your scalp is not happy. If that is what is happening to your hair situation right now, because the root and health of your hair relies on a healthy scalp. I got something to share with you, so let's get started. So I brought some amazing products that I formulated specifically to deal with scalp issues, because when your scalp is flourishing and happy, your hair will grow. Healthy scalp, healthy hair. These three products right here are going to give you those results. They really are. How do you know sometimes that which Ayurvedic herbs are going to give you the specific results that you're trying to, to achieve? Well, let's start first with the Cassia and Neem hair wash. So this is SLS free, color safe, so if you're using henna hair color, it's great to use with it, and it doesn't strip the natural oils from your hair. It's very, very, very good, and has a little bit of extra, exfoliation for the scalp, which gets it like going, just give it a nice massage when you're using this. That really helps a lot. But the cassia is very cleansing. That is an herb, if like one of your focuses on your wash day is that your hair is like, I need you to wash my hair today, you're going to choose cassia. Cassia is going to be a very, very great choice. Now, neem is more about the health of your scalp. When it has any type of, scalp issues, neem is a really good herb for just treating your scalp and getting to the root of the problem, So cassia neem hair wash, yes. And next up, we have the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. It kind of speaks for itself. And it has an amazing combination of herbs. There's 5 Ayurvedic herbs that focus again on treating your scalp and getting rid of any issues that you are experiencing. I promise you, I'm not making this up. This is the truth. This is an all-in-one scalp treatment. It has 5 Ayurvedic herbs that your hair will love, because you're going to be nourishing that scalp so the roots can grow. You got to get to the root of the problem, right? You have some organic cassia in here. You have neem, as I talked about a little earlier. Neem is amazing. Brahmi, bringrash, aloe vera powder, and some great essential oils that will really help with promoting and stimulating that hair growth. You have eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. So rosemary is so good for hair growth, and it smells so nice. So all this combined together really just gets the roots going, gets the scalp triggered, and it's cleansing, just giving yourself a nice, well-balanced mask treatment. So Ayurvedic scalp and root mask, it's a yes, 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 yes. And last but certainly not least, the brand new Moroccan hair Detox mud mask. This is something I'm really proud about. I am so proud about how this came out, because I'll be quite honest, I messed up a lot at first. I was really messing up with this formulation. It just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to, so I really had to take time to play around with it and get the proportions and test out. It just takes a lot of time to make sure formulations work well and that I'm seeing results when I'm doing, hair. I want to see that this product is actually going to work. I really love the smell. And Rasul clay is so cleansing for your hair. And again, it's another cleanser that's so gentle. Clays are amazing for your hair. It doesn't strip the natural oils from your hair in a very harsh way. It is infused with soap nut powder and neem. Just again, getting to the root of the problem, the scalp, and just treating it and nourishing it. And it's infused also with rosemary essential oil and sweet orange essential oils from Morocco, which I absolutely love. The best essential oils I have ever came across. My favorites are rosemary and sweet orange essential oil. I just love them. Argan oil is in this Moroccan detox hair mask. Yes, argan oil, right from Morocco, right from the source. When I went up to the Berber village and saw the women making the argan oil, I was right there and I was doing the processing with them. It was amazing, so much fun and I just learned so much. Just being hands-on, it's a whole other level of understanding. So I love it, love it, love it. This mask is really good as a treatment for your scalp. And these three in hand are going to give you the results that you are looking for, guaranteed. I have created a regimen plan for you. I sure have. So all you have to do is click the link in the bio and I have a regimen plan for you and to get your scalp healed, nourished, and promoting hair growth. They're so easy. The regimen is so simple and you're gonna love it. You're gonna see results. If not immediately, you will definitely see it in your next few washes. Check that link in the bio so you can get your personalized scalp regimen for your hair. Stay tuned because every week we have new videos dropping. We have so much going on for you. You have any special requests, make sure you comment below. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can also add your questions below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Hennasooq channel so you can be notified about all the upcoming videos that we have for you. I don't want you to miss anything. We just have so much coming. So I'll see you next time. Can't wait. Bye guys.